Footsteps echo in the fading mist. Roads unmarked where dreams persist. Maps are burned, no path to take. Under moons that watch and ache. Swallowed skies where the stars retreat. Lonely whispers guide my feet. A suitcase heavy with thoughts unspoken. Locks of time that remain broken. I'm a shadow chasing traces through the cracks in time's embraces. Every step an endless quest. Finding nowhere feels like rest. Dusty trains hum forgotten songs. The rhythm pulls where I don't belong. Windows stained with tears of rain reflect a face not seen again. The wind it howls but it doesn't stay. Just like me it drifts away. Clouds collide like wandering hearts, falling together, then torn apart. I'm a shadow chasing traces through the cracks in time's embraces. Every step an endless quest. Finding nowhere feels like rest. I'm a shadow chasing traces through the cracks in time's embraces. Every step an endless quest. Finding nowhere feels like rest.